Here we go again. Hey, what's going on? All my homies, homettes, dudes, and dudettes. It's your boy Will, and got another box. I just got this. I saw it in the mail, and I think I have an idea what it is. You guys probably already know because it's probably in the thumbnail. But I've been waiting to try to find this fragrance. But let's get into it. All right, so I'm back in, and let's crack open the box. What's in the box? What's in the box? Let's see. It feels kind of heavy. Whatever it is. I'm pretty sure it is a fragrance. I'm not sure what the fragrance is, but I'm pretty sure it is a fragrance. So let's see. Hopefully it's a fragrance that I've been looking to pick up not for a while, but it's been hard to find. And oh yeah, it is. Okay, it's just I got a couple of foam nuts in here, but fragrance is Taureau de Combat. This is from the Pride line of Lattafa. Man, mainly the main reason why, and this box feels heavy, the main reason why I was thinking about getting this fragrance is because of the bottle. This bottle looks crazy. Hopefully it doesn't let me down by the time I open it up. So let's go ahead and jump into it and see what it is, what it smells like. I mean, all right, so here we go. Here's the box. I'm not sure if this is coming up, but it's raised on the side. This the whole bottle is raised on the side. The front it just has Taureau de Combat. On the side, it's this pattern, and it's a grid pattern. Like you rub your finger across and feel it. And on the sides, the same thing. On the bottom, we have a little push hole and the date that it was produced. I don't know if I have that upside down or right side up. I can't see it in the camera. And then on the top, we just have the Lattafa. On the back, we have the ingredients, the barcode, and the other code. All right, so let's see if I can get in here. Hey, how do I get in here? Oh, it's a whole box. Okay. And on the back, they have it's a holographic sticker, but it looks a little different. Let's see. Boom. Has a Lattafa pamphlet in Lattafa Pride with, all the fragrances that they're rocking out to. And inside that first box, there's another box. Here we go. And this one actually, is this metal? I think it's plastic, maybe. But it feels like it's glued down on it. Let's see. How do I get in here? It's another slip cover. Why do you have to have a box on top of a box and then a slip cover on top of the second box? It's tight on here. I don't want to get this, but it's getting frustrating, to say the least. Okay, finally. See, it's a slip cover. Okay. All right, so this box now has another Lattafa symbol, and let's see how we open. Oh, okay, it just slides down. Oh, you guys get the first look with me. There we go. And the box is pretty substantial. It's kind of solid. It's not nothing major, but it's pretty solid. And look, it has like cutout holes here, so you can put your finger in it to take it out. Not bad, not bad. Look at this bottle. Oh my god. Oh. Wow. This top, it kind of kind of clicks on a little bit. Yeah, but I wouldn't pick it up from the top. It's kind of loose. The bowl is reminiscent of the Bull of Wall Street. Really nice looking, and it has some weight to it. This feels like it's metal. This is nice. Look at that. Nice little statue. Okay, and then the bottle is very reflective, and it just has the name on it. So let's go ahead and grab a spray strip to see how it is. The other reason I was interested in this because one, the bottle, and then two, I was trying to find notes on it, and I was trying to find reviews on it. Okay, pretty nice sprayer. As of right now, today is the 24th. Is it October? October 24th, 2025. Oh. Okay, this smells pretty good. As of today, October 2025, this is Friday. I've only seen one review on YouTube that was in English. I think maybe 2 or 3 other ones that were translated into English from a different language, and then I saw a couple of shorts, but not any really reviews or anybody talking about it. So that made me curious about it. This is kind of nice. You know what this smells like? This smells like a lighter version of what's that fragrance I got by Rayon? Crimson. And that would make sense because I think this is supposed to be a clone of Centaurus by Creed, and that's what Crimson is. So I'm gonna go on the skin and see how it is. The one review that I did see from the guy, he did say it has an amazing sea arc. So yeah, that's what it smells like. It smells like a more polished up version of the Crimson. Yeah, I like it. It has some spices in it. Some smells like cinnamon and some cardamom, maybe some leather. And wow, it looks really dark in here. Let me grab the notes and I'll get some light and I'll be right back. Hold on a second. All right, so I'm back in and I'm looking at this bottle, and this is really a really nice put together bottle. Like, first, this bull, these horns here are super sharp. They are sharp, like you can hurt yourself with those. And then secondly, the details to the bottle, if you can see, the bull sits in there like that, and it has these footprints on there. So if you put the bull the wrong way around, it doesn't fit in the footprints. You spin it around and then it somewhat snaps into place, but that is pretty nice. Just take a look at that. That's pretty cool. So yeah, that is nice. I like the details to the bottle, and it feels very substantial. Even the bottle itself feels substantial, but the top feels almost as heavy as the bottle with the fragrances. So the notes that I found, because these notes for right now, they're not even on Fragrantica for Taureau de Combat. The notes that I did find are, the top notes are amber, cardamom, cinnamon, and benzoin. Then in the mid notes there is cashmere, heliotrope, jasmine, tobacco. And then in the base notes there's vanilla, tonka bean, and patchouli. And I'm not sure if these notes are completely accurate, so take it with a grain of salt. But from what I smell, I do pick up most of those notes. I think I pick up, except for the the base notes. I don't really get any of the vanilla tonka bean. Yeah, I don't get any of the vanilla or the tonka bean, but that's probably going to be coming in later. Not the patchouli either. I get the amber, cardamom, cinnamon, benzoin, cashmere. Yeah, kind of, because it's kind of like a furry kind of vibe to it, like if you were rubbing your hands on some like a animal's fur or something. That's kind of the feel that I get in my nose. Heliotrope, jasmine. Not really picking up any jasmine. It's probably a secondary note in the background, just to bring things more to life. And the tobacco. Yes, I do get tobacco, because the tobacco is kind of fighting with the cardamom and the cinnamon, but they're fighting nicely. It's not like they're battling to see who's going to be top spot. They're all sharing the spotlight together. But yeah, so this is nice. This actually, even though it smells like you know what? Hold on a second again. I'm gonna go get Crimson. Yeah, I know. Nothing is. This is not staged. This all live reaction. I just came in, picked it up, and I just been thinking, okay, why don't I grab this one too? So all real life. So this is Crimson, and the spray on Crimson is a lot better than the Taurian, and let's spray the Taurian. This is the Taurian. Taurian, Crimson. Yeah, they're pretty much neck and neck. Actually, the Taurian de Combat is a little bit stronger. I thought the Crimson was stronger. See, I've worn this one before, so it does perform well. It performed really, really good. I think I had it in a weekly wears, or maybe I did a ride along with it. So it performs really well. So if this one is stronger, it might be just stronger off the top, but who knows? But yeah, so if you have one, you don't need the other one. Right now, the Crimson is a little bit cheaper. I think the Taurian de Combat, this one is not marked down yet because it's pretty new. I think it came out like maybe a few weeks ago or maybe a couple of months ago. So, and it's only one place that I've seen. It's not many places that sell it. I can't even remember the place that I saw it, but where I picked it up from someplace different. But anyway, you probably will, if you're interested in it, I would say go ahead and wait for a little bit. Maybe wait a couple of months or maybe a couple of weeks. The price will probably drop. Right now, I think it's going for like either between $50 and $60. But that price will drop because you know how Lattafa do. They have the price high for the first few weeks or first few months that it's out, and then after a while it's all dropping unless it gets a whole lot of attention. So yeah, this is a great fragrance. I'm glad to have it. And like I said, I'm more excited about the bottle than the actual fragrance, but this is a good fragrance. I like the way it smells. Oh man, yeah. Okay. I like that scent profile too. I know some people don't even like the scent profile of Centaurus, but I like it. It smells good. It reminds me of kind of like the fall season, like this time of the year. So I'm ready to jump into that. But anyway, thanks for hanging out with me. I appreciate your time. I know you could be anywhere else in the world, but you're here with me talking about this new fragrance by Lattafa, the Pride Collection, Taurian de Combat. Yes. Until next time, it's your boy Will with the Will Report. Deuces.